Hello students, today our class is about the advanced part of trend lines, part number 2. Earlier we learned the basics of trend lines, how to take the basics. This was the basic of our trend line, right? What was the basic of our trend line? We had to take its basic like this. When the market comes from here to here, we will buy it from here. This was our basic. And similarly, if we delete this and make it here, then this was the basic of our trend line, the base we learned, right? I'll delete this now and leave this part. If you look here, first I'll go to H1. The recent market scenario was this triangle formed here. If you see, if I delete this candle is engulfed by which candle? This candle is engulfed by this candle. We have an engulfing pattern here. We marked the entire black candle. Now we have to enter above this zone. How to enter? Our entry won't be made here. If you put it on the line chart, our rule wasn't fulfilled here. This rule wasn't fulfilled here. So if you see, where was the rule fulfilled? Look here, when the market came here, see, the market came here like this and like this. Sorry, not here. The market came here like this and like this. What does this pattern mean? The market broke its lower and upper levels. From here to here, we will draw our trend line. The trend line came to this point and our order went along. If you look here, we will get a trade on a smaller time frame in this zone. If you look at a smaller time frame, there was an entry forming here that came out earlier. Look here, if you put it on 15 minutes, you will see the clear pattern. Look here, it first bought, then sold, and the market moved till here. The zone that was here in the first wave, if you see, on 15 minutes, this zone was extended. But the market didn't come here. It only moved with H1 and then went. Now I'll give you more examples. This app went up in the meeting. If we look at more examples in the recent market, this example was there. This candle engulfed that candle, so we had to mark it completely. Our entry was on this candle. Before that, what was forming, you can call it a support point. But before that, what to do? We will go to a smaller time frame. If you look at a smaller time frame, the same pattern is formed here. Look here, which pattern is formed here, which I explained to you in basic and also in advanced. This pattern, we drew its trend line from here to here and the market took its path like this. Now I'll give you more examples. Just draw it and then our entry module will be next. If we look at daily, if we cover daily, then yes. Here we got a daily one. Let's look at the daily. If you see here, this candle was engulfed by this candle. So what happened to us? We will mark the entire candle from here to here. Along with marking what we saw earlier in H4, we will see if the trend line is clear on this zone or not. If you see here, the trend line is formed, but when the pattern was formed, our trade had already exited. This pattern was formed, so where did we have to draw the trend line from? From here to here, this was our trend line. If you see, there is no marking near the trend line. Now we put it in H1, take confirmation on a smaller time frame. First, we found that pattern in H4. We didn't find it. Now within this daily zone, we see if we found any pattern or not. If you see here, there is no clear pattern in H1. We now directly go to 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we are confirmed. This is extra confirmation, and what reward will we get? We will get a good reward and our stop loss ratio will decrease. We remove this daily zone. We can see clearly if anything is visible. If you see here, a zone was formed here, but it was formed above. A zone was formed here, but it was formed above. After that, if you see, the next zone was formed here. This thing worked for us. When this thing was formed, see, when it was formed, the market entered and exited. Look here, it came exactly on this wave and the market exited from the daily zone. What was here? The daily zone was below, so it wasn't there. Now we will give you more examples so that your questions are resolved. If you look at the recent scenario, I think this one, look at it, market completely. Here there is an engulfing pattern. If you look at the line chart, we didn't see anything. So if you look at 15 minutes, we will use 5 minutes or 15 minutes for entry or minute wire. Okay, if you see here, we have to make an entry from here. So which pattern should be here? Okay, this pattern was formed here and see the entry will be from here. If you put it in minute one, we will go here and do it. If you see in minute one from here to here, it was formed. It first did the sell side, then the buy side. So see, we have an entry again and we look for another clear one. This one is done for us. If you see here, we have this buying area formed, then formed, meaning we have the entire entry area. If we put it on the line chart, this was the range, but on a smaller time frame. We put the trend line on a smaller time frame and take confirmation here. If you see here, we have clear confirmation. This pattern was formed. See what did it do? It first went down, then up. So what happened to us? A complete trend line zone was formed. So when it goes to this point, see, it went to this point and the market fell. See, it was a clear example. If you want to make it, this pattern can also be formed from here, but I don't think the market went there. It will sell from this pattern. Okay, one or two more. And for this, we go to such a word. Which next zone do we have? This one. Which next zone do we have? This one. Okay, the next zone was this one. This candle engulfed that candle. So see, this candle also engulfed that candle. So here we have confirmation for itself. If we look at the same time frame, if you see, it broke this. If you see, it went up, then came down, then went up again. So here we have its confirmation. See, our sell happened from here. See, it sold and then it sold completely. Which pattern was formed here? Here, it took the order and the market came down. So, which pattern was formed for us? We picked it up. Here, if you see marker first stopped out the buy side here, then look at the sell. After stopping out the buy side, it went down, then the market went up and took its order. Okay, after that, if you see and look at another example. Okay. Here, if you see this, we have the entire engulfing pattern here. Okay, even if we go up to here, we can do it in this length. So, okay, if you see here, this engulfing candle has engulfed the other candle. So now if we want to enter closely, what do we need to wait for? We need to wait for that pattern to form here. If you see here, you can also see these. Look, we have a strong aggression here. Look right here, which pattern do we have? Look, this came, the market came, and this. Okay, look here, we have this pattern, meaning it first stopped out the buyer here. Here the buyer was also stopped out, and here the seller was also stopped out. When both the buyer and seller were stopped out, we drew a trend line from here to here, and we have a clear zone here. Look, it had stopped out the buyer and seller, so we have this engulfing zone here. If you look at the H4 zone here, there was nothing in H4. If you look in the daily, you will find something here. Okay, if you look in the weekly, you will find it if you want to take an open position here. It's not there, but our basic part is the engulfing. You have to base it on the engulfing. Here we based it on the engulfing. So if you see here, there are multiple engulfings here. Look here, this is also an engulfing market. When the market comes, you can draw it. Now look, this marker went down. So here, if you see which part of the engulfing is there, this one was there. So which confirmation did we need? We needed the trend line confirmation. So if you see here, this and this, if you make it here, it will be made here. Look, it is made here. Okay, but we need a clear one here, so we can take it on a 5 minute or some smaller time frame. If you want to make it like this, you can make it like this too, but go to the most recent zone. When the market comes here, we enlarge this zone on a smaller time frame. If the market goes there on a smaller time frame, look, when the market is touching the zone, then we have to see here, this was our zone. And if you see here, which pattern is formed, one recent one was formed, but the market should have taken the order from below here. If you look above, which one do we have? This one was there, but it cleared it here. Put it on the 5 minute, it went to the zone. Put it on the 5 minute. There is only one rule of the trend line, and we have to use it according to that rule. Here, there is only a 15-minute one. On the net one, you will definitely get that confirmation here. You will definitely get this pattern, and after that, if we keep it on any other time frame, if you look here from 15 minutes onwards, you can see that we have formed a zone of engulfing here. Below, we also had an H1 here. What happened is that we got liquidity. After that, if you want to enter here, enter with 5 minutes or 1 minute. I'm just talking about the trend line right now. We'll do the entry class next. Look here, it's clearly formed. This one is better. See here, the market fell from top to bottom, from here to here, and then our role of the trend line is complete. So now we'll draw the trend line from here to here. So we've got our trend line, and if we want to trade the market further with the wick in 1 minute, and if you look here, according to 1 minute, we'll get a clear pattern here. This one, which I can see here, is lying here, and the market has dipped exactly here. Which pattern is lying here? It's the one that first topped out the seller, then after buying the market came down. So from here the market is going in a zigzag, just an easy example. And we look at the monthly or weekly. If we look at the monthly or weekly example, if you see here, we have the start of the monthly zone. If we look at this on the monthly, first on the monthly, if you see, this is on the buy side and this is not here. If we bring it here, let's clear it further on a smaller time frame. First we'll look at the weekly bar here. How could it have been bought from this zone? How could it have been bought from this zone? Now we'll combine it here. I'll also show you in the pattern which one was formed here. See here, the market came exactly in a wick. Which pattern was formed? If we had this, then buy side happened, then sell side happened. The market is coming like this. So which pattern has formed now? This one has formed. Now we've combined this one with this one here. See, when we combined it, it was exactly like this. At the dip, we have the market here. If we look, we have this one here. Earlier. There was nothing daily. So if we put it on this land, we have confirmation here, but not daily. Even in Hakur, if we see who has confirmation here since then. In IT4, if you see which end did we need, this version one, this one. If you see here, they gave us all the rules completely. So now where will our trend line be from and to? From this drum to which drum? Okay. Now let's see where Markel said. What did he dip here? He took this dip. In this move, we had to catch it, but it went before the trend line. So let's go to H1 and see which trend line it came out from. Drum. This drum stayed quite behind. Now this drum. If you want to go there, you can drop it from there too. If you want to take this drum from here, you can do that too. Okay, come right up to it and find it straight. So now in the next class, we'll complete this series. Any questions that arise, we'll look at them later. First, watch this video and don't forget to make notes and share them with me on Telegram. Then we'll meet in the next one.